Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, with my 5 to-dos for December. Let's get started. Number 1, deep clean your appliances. It's funny, but the appliances that do most of the cleaning need the most cleaning. From dishwashers to washing machines, there are product-specific cleaners that take the thinking out of cleaning these machines. Now avoid mismeasuring vinegar and try one of these cleaners that will get the job done right and quickly. Number 2, have your chimney cleaned and inspected. You're going to need to hire a professional to come out and make sure your chimney is in good shape for a season of nights by the fireplace. When you use your fireplace, smoke can leave behind ash and carbon deposits, which need to be removed for a safe fireplace experience. Number 3, clean the lights, doors, and floorboards. Now, dust can settle in the strangest places. Dirty light bulbs provide less light than clean ones. So break out the old duster and give them all a good cleaning. Next, get a bunch of rags and some all-purpose cleaner. Clean off the interior doors and the floorboards. These spots see a lot of abuse from hands and shoes, so it's time to give them a good cleaning. Number 4, check your shower head for calcium deposits. There are natural minerals in the water that build up over time, and no place is that more apparent than in a bathroom. Now, when left untreated, this can clog the holes in the shower head and can also cause less water flow and bacteria and mildew to grow. Clean your shower head and faucets with a product like CLR or Lime Away to avoid fixture replacement in the future. Number 5, see mold, get it tested. Whether it's in your bathroom or on your walls, if you see mold in your home, use an at-home test kit to see if it can be dangerous to you. My video on replacing weather stripping is coming up next.